Läppstift. Hi!
And welcome to this week's Fun Friday!
Woo! Today we're going to do the 7-second challenge. Basically it is, I'm giving Laura an assignment that she has to do in 7 seconds, and if she can't, I don't know, do we count points?
No.
Let's see how it goes. But yeah, 7 seconds time to do something that the other one says. So, okay, you have 7 seconds to fetch a spoon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yay!
So you have 7 seconds to give me a roll of toilet paper. 2, 3, 4, 6, 7. I don't know if you made it.
I throw it at you.
And I forgot to start counting.
Okay, you have 7 seconds. Do you see? Time to do 5 squats. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
What more? Yeah.
5.
I did 7.
Yeah.
You have 7 seconds. Time to
Something like
burp.
yeah.
Yeah.
You have 7 seconds to touch your nose with your toe.
Oh.
2. Okay, you are that flexible. I thought that you were flexible.
I had too many seconds to think what I
need to do. Well,
yeah. You have 7 seconds time to draw a mustache for yourself.
I don't know where I have it.
So.
Can you see? I use Laura's eyeshadow palette. Yeah.
Oh, what is mine?
Yeah, because I don't know where mine is. It was just like, I don't know where pen is. But yeah. You have 7 seconds to fetch an ice cube. 1 second, 2 seconds, 3 seconds, 4 seconds, 5 seconds.
These are not ice cubes because I don't have anything else. They're like small things.
But yeah, they're frozen water, so they're ice.
And I take these back. You have 7 seconds time to drink a glass of water. 2, 3, 4, 5.
Oh god, it was a big one. Oh. Yeah.
And that was a
cup mug.
mug that I haven't washed after I bought it. So.
I don't care. It was there. So. Oh. Okay. You have 7 seconds to put a pair of shoes on. 1 second. 2 seconds. 4 seconds. 4 seconds. 5 seconds. 6 seconds. Yay!
We have shoes.
I was thinking that it would go in the
Yeah.
there is shoes that you just put on. You decided to put something hard on.
First thing I could touch.
Yeah.
You have 7 seconds time to make a paper plane. 1, 2, 3.
Yes.
Throw it.
Yay! Very beautiful. I was thinking that I'm not going to trash your note from the front side, so You have 7 seconds to touch your elbow with your tongue.
I can't do that. You know that cannot be done.
I know, but it would look so funny.
Done.
You have lipstick on my elbow. No.
You have 7 seconds to put your leg behind your head.
Neck.
Yeah.
My neck gonna be
Yeah.
on your.
I'm not flexible enough.
The other one. With jeans.
I thought you were flexible enough.
No.
I don't know where I'm counting, but
Yeah, but I think that is a fail.
Yeah. I really thought you were flexible enough.
Maybe someday, but not in jeans. Yeah. Put your hair up. You have 7 seconds to fetch me a flower. 1 second, 2 seconds, 3 seconds, 4 seconds. Thank you. I was thinking that you couldn't reach the shelf, but you're not that short.
I'm not that short. Fuck you. You have 7 seconds to bring me a candle that has lightened up with fire.
Okay. So I don't know what.
No, that one. No, it's just an ornament.
Okay.
Whoa.
Give me one more time to light something up. No.
In time.
It's can't. It's lit. I can't. I was not supposed to do this, so this is new. You have 7 seconds time to braid your hair. Let it like that.
That cannot be done.
Second, 2 seconds, 3 seconds, 4 seconds, 5 seconds. It's like 1 braid, 2 braid here.
That cannot be done with my hair.
No, it can't. But yeah, here we go.
Fabulous.
So bad.
You have 7 seconds time to put all your outdoor clothes on.
Okay. Does it about shoes?
Yes.
Okay. Do I have to run back? I have it. I have it on.
It's not your shoes, probably.
It doesn't count. I had it on. Oh god, I can't see. Oh god. Oh, thank god I didn't bring a jacket.
That was fun.
Yeah, I think that was surprisingly fun.
Yeah.
Yeah, but this was this week's Fun Friday video.
We will see you next time.
Bye!